are going to start from class 8 R.D. Sharma Mathematics, chapter number 16, Understanding Shapes 2, which is quadrilateral. In that, exercise 16.1, question number 5. See the question number 5. In that, the angle of a quadrilateral are 110 degree, 72 degree, 55 degree and x degree. Find the value of x. Now, as we know, the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360. Okay, so we have to plus all this angle equal to 360k. Let us see. Now we know the sum of angle of quadrilateral is 360. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360. So we have to plus all the angle whichever we had given. So 110 plus 72 plus 55 and x equal to 360k. Okay, then we have to find here x. First of all, plus this all. 110 plus 72 plus 55 is 273 plus x equal to 360. Now this 270 goes over here. So x equal to 360 minus 237. Therefore x equal to 123 degree is your answer. Okay, simple. We have to plus all the angle equal to 360 we know. Then we have to plus this angle plus x equal to 360. And x equal to 360 minus 237, which is x equal to 123. Now see the question number 6. In that, what we had given, the three angles of quadrilateral are respectively equal to 110, 50 and 40. Find its fourth angle. Okay, now three angle given and we have to find fourth angle. Now let the fourth angle be x. Now let the fourth angle be x. Okay, this fourth angle I am supposing as x. Three angle we had given and we know the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360. So we will plus it. First angle is 110 plus 50 plus 40 plus 4th is x we had supposed it, and it is 360. So plus it, 110 plus 40, which is 200 plus x equal to 360. So x equal to 360 minus 200. Okay, therefore x equal to 160 degree. So our fourth angle is 160 degree. Let us see the question number 7. A quadrilateral has three acute angles, each measure 80 degree. What is the measure of fourth angle? A quadrilateral has three acute angle, each measure 80. What is the fourth angle? Let the fourth angle be x, and three angle we had given which is 80. So we have to sum please 80 plus 80 plus 80. Let us do question number 7. Let the fourth angle be x. Okay, and three angle we had given and we know sum of angle of quadrilateral is 360. So 80 how many times? 3 times plus x equal to 360. So 80 plus 80 plus 80 is 240 plus x equal to 360. So x equal to 360 minus 240. So x equal to 0, 6 minus 4, 2 and 1. So 120 is the answer. Let us see question number 8. Question number 8. A quadrilateral has all its 4 angles of the same measure. Okay, 4 angles of same measure. They are all same. What is the measure of each angle? Now we have to find that one angle. So let us suppose that each angle be x. Okay, we'll suppose that let each angle be x. The measure of each angle be x. Now here also we know the sum of angle of quadrilateral equal to 360. So each angle means each angle are same. So x we will plus 4 times equal to 360. Okay. So what will came? 4x equal to 360. X equal to 360 upon 4. Therefore x equal to 4 ones are 4 90s are 90 degree. So measure of each angle is 90 degree. Now question number 9. Two angle of quadrilateral are equal. Now here in in eighth one the all 4 angle are same, and here in ninth one 2 angle are same, which is 65. Okay, and other 2 angle are equal and other 2 are equal. What is the measure of each of these 2 angle? Now this other 2 angle we have to find. First of all, let x be that other 2 angle. Okay, so let the each angle be x, and this 65 we have to plus 2 times, and this x we have to plus 2 times, which is equal to 360. In question number 9, let the measure of each angle, let the measure of other 2 each angle be x. Okay, now we know the sum of angle of quadrilateral is 360. First 2 we had given, which is 65 plus 65 plus, and another 2 is also the same, so same x plus x, which is equal to 360. Okay, 65 plus 65 is 130 plus 2x equal to 360. So 2x equal to 360, therefore minus 130. Therefore 2x equal to 0, 3, 2. 230. So x equal to 230 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1 1 5s are. Therefore x equal to 115. So the measure of other 2 angle is 115 degree. 10th one. 3 angle of quadrilateral are equal. 4th angle of measure 150. What is the measure of equal angles? Now this angle be x. 3 times we have to plus x. 4th angle we have given, which is 150. So x plus x plus x plus 150. What is the measure of equal angle? So equal to 360. Then we can find the each angle, how much it is measured. Let the measure of that 3 angle be x. Okay, let the measure of each angle be x. Now we have to sum all the angles, so 3 times we will plus it. So 3 times we have to plus x plus x plus x plus one angle we had given, which is 150 equal to 360. So 3x plus 150 equal to 360. 3x equal to 360 minus 150. So what is answer? 3x equal to 210, x equal to 210 upon 3. Therefore x equal to 3 ones are 370s are. So measure of each three angle is 70 degree. Now we will see question number 11. In question number 11, the four angle of quadrilateral are as 3:5:7:9. Find the angles. Now these four angles we have given in ratio form. So how we can write it? Question number 11. Okay. Ratio we have given 3:5:7:9. We have to sum all these angles. So how we can write like this? 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x equal to 360. Okay. Now we have to plus it. Therefore 7 plus 3 10, 19, 19 plus 5 is 24, x equal to 360. Therefore x equal to 360 upon 24. Therefore x equal to 24 ones are 15 sir. 15. Okay, now we get the x. Now we have to find the first, second and third and fourth angle. So thus the angles are, first is 3x, so 3 into 15 which is equal to 45. Second is 5x, so 5 into 15 which is equal to 75 degree. Third 7x, 7 into 15 equal to 105 degree. And last one is 9x, so 9 into 15 which is equal to 135 degree is your answer. Now we'll see question number 12. In question number 12, if the sum of the two angle of a quadrilateral is 180, what is the sum of the remaining two angle? Now two angle is given, their sum is given which is 180. Another sum we have to find. Let us take this x equal to two angles we will take. So first let the sum of remaining angle be x. Okay, so first sum we had given which is 180 degree. Second sum we have written as x equal to 360. See here, first angle plus second plus third plus fourth. Okay, first two we had given which is 180. Second two we have suppose as x and equal to 360, which we know that the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360. Now x equal to 360 upon 180. So, not upon, it is minus because it is in plus form. So minus 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180. So another sum of remaining angle is also the 180. Now question number 13. In the figure 16.20, find the measure of MPN. MPN. This measure we have to find. Okay. Now we can say this is quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. So it is quadrilateral. And we know that the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 3 sum of angle of quadrilateral equal to 360. Now we have to plus all the angle. Okay, so which angle we have given? 45 plus this one is 90 degree, 90 plus this is also 90, and which we have to find angle MPN equal to 360. Okay, now plus it, 45 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 is 180, 180 plus 45, 45 plus 180 plus angle MPN equal to 360. So angle MPN plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 for 1 equal to 360. So angle MPN equal to 360 minus 2 to 5. So equal to answer is 10 minus 5, 5, then 5 minus 2, 3, and 3 minus 2, 1. What is the angle? 135. Here measure angle MPN equals to 135 degree. Understood? Okay, we had just done all the plus. Okay, sum of all the angle equal to 360, then plus the number, then you get the answer, which is 135 degree. Thank you for watching this video.